Decking Leeds. Are you ready to transform your property's look and feel? Our expert team specializes in crafting decking solutions that are not only tailored to your unique needs, but also enhance the aesthetics of your property. Whether it's for your commercial space or your home, we've got you covered. Our skilled professionals ensure a seamless installation process. Explore our diverse range of decking options that can be tailored to your preferences. From timeless classics and cutting-edge styles to the durability and low maintenance of composite decking, we cater to every taste and requirement. Our team will work closely with you to bring your decking dreams to life. For more information on our local decking services, contact us today on 07480589157.